Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we've got some sponsored content by Autobeam. They've sent me out LED H11 indicator and fog lights. The reason they sent me out, basically I've been asked to show how to install these, what you get in the box, and hopefully make your guys' lives easier if you kind of want that daylight running light fog light look, as well as having indicators attached to them. So, inside the box we have a little air freshener, and then we have another box. So inside here, I have already been inside here and I've opened up this pack, but otherwise we have the units themselves. I'll just separate them into two. See, there's two of the exact same units, so I'll get rid of one. So first of all, we have the power connection. So this is the thing that's going to plug in to where your current fog light plugs into. So this will be all of your power. We then have a small box. I can only assume this small box is to run the indicator function, which is this wire here. So you're going to have to wire this wire into your headlight loom, but I'll show you how to do that. It's super simple to do, and you only need basic equipment in order to do it. And past the box, we've got a nice thick cable, followed by the connection that I absolutely love, which is this three-pronged connection. It slots in nice and easily, nice and watertight. You screw it up and that's not coming undone at all, so beautiful that. And then finally the actual LED bulb itself. So here we have the LED bulb itself. Once again, this is a H11 fitment, but as you can see on the actual bulb itself, there's no kind of like dodgy spots or anything like that. So yeah, overall super nice, super clean design with kind of the Autobeam logo there. Nice braided cable. So overall, super happy with it. Inside this packet you get what you need in order to connect to your actual headlight loom itself. So we have some cable ties. We'll separate those out, and then we have these connections. Now then, these connections, basically you can see one side is blocked, one side isn't. The side that isn't, you're going to slide your headlight loom cable into that. You're going to slide your indicator cable into the other one, so the kind of, I'm going to call this the inside connection. You're going to slide your indicator cable into there, and then you're going to push this over, and then with some pliers you're going to really push that down, and that's going to basically use this metal slice here. It'll slice into the cables and create almost a wire tap. Same as kind of what I've used in previous videos. You've probably seen me use those spade connectors. This is the same concept, just a different type. So that's how you're going to connect this yellow wire into your actual headlight loom. So yeah, overall super nicely packaged, nice wires, you know, it's all braided, nice and thick down here, and obviously they've got their waterproof connection here, which is super nice to have. So yeah, you can pick these up on Autobeam. You can use my discount code CR10, and that will get you 10% off this kit. But I'll do an install video next, and you'll see kind of how these all work with your indicator, how they work as fog lights, and how they work as kind of daylight running lights if you want to use them that way. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like my Instagram, remember to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.